Your peace lily plant has yellow leaves, brown crispy edges, and you have no idea how to stop it. Don't worry, because you just clicked the right video. I'm about to share the 4 expert-level care tips that professional indoor plant cultivars use to keep their peace lily plants vibrant green, healthy, and problem-free. If you want to finally say goodbye to yellow leaves from your peace lily plants, then stick around and watch the entire video for proper information. Let's start with the absolute number 1 culprit, the watering. The most common reason for yellow leaves is actually underwatering. I unfortunately let this one dry out a bit, and you can see the result. Peace lilies need an even moisture level in their soil. The rule of thumb: water as soon as the top 60% of the soil feels dry. This usually means you should check the top 1 to 2 inches of the soil layer before watering. Here is a pro tip for you. Try to use filtered or dechlorinated water because peace lily is incredibly sensitive to the chemicals and salts often found in regular tap water. On the other hand, overwatering leads to root rot, which also turns leaves yellow, but you will also see those distinct water-soaked brown leaf tips all over the plant. Maintaining that constant, gentle moisture is key for healthy roots and lush growth. Tips number 2, the lighting. While peace lilies are famous for tolerating shade, they still absolutely demand a good block of bright indirect light to truly thrive and emphasize healthy deep green growth. Too little light exposure, generally less than 200-foot candle lights, makes them weak and pale. Conversely, direct harsh sunlight will aggressively burn the leaves, leading to those ugly yellow or brown crispy edges. Your best bet? A spot near an east or north facing window or bright, constant indirect light exposure for about 3 to 4 hours daily. If your room is naturally dark, consider using a simple grow light for 8 to 10 hours a day to keep your plant vibrant. Our third expert tip focuses on what the roots are living in, the soil mix. Another primary reason peace lilies turn yellow is poor compacted soil. Your ideal mix needs to be slightly water retentive. That helps maintain the even moisture we talked about, but simultaneously well draining to flush out excess water and prevent a soggy situation. Here is the pro formula. Use a loose, well-draining mix that contains roughly 40% coco peat or peat moss, 30% perlite, 20% compost, and 10% pine bark. If you are using a pre-bagged potting mix, simply add an extra cup of coco peat or peat moss to adjust the water retention. Finally, let's talk about the environment, humidity, and temperature. Peace lilies are tropical plants. They prefer temperatures between 18 degrees and 28 degrees Celsius, and their ideal humidity is above 50%. You will often see the leaves start to yellow, especially during dry seasons or if your home's humidity drops below their requirement. Low humidity makes the plant struggle to breathe and stay hydrated. You should seriously consider using a small humidifier or at least a pebble tray. And most importantly, during winter or dry seasons, protect your plant by keeping it indoors and away from cold drafts or dry air vents. So that's it. To quickly summarize the peace lily yellow leaves prevention formula, remember these 4 pillars: proper watering, bright indirect light, an ideal soil mix, and a warm, humid environment. Follow these 4 expert tips, and I promise you, your peace lily will stay lush, glossy, and full of life for years to come. If you found this expert advice helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.